If this is your first time putting down an application that is granular, meaning it is spread onto your lawn through granules rather than sprayed on via liquid, then you might want to invest in a spreader. Now, a good spreader kind of does look like a wheelbarrow a little bit, but instead of just carting your application across the lawn, spreaders are usually equipped with a series of rotating fans that spread the granules evenly across your grass. That way, you're not doing it manually as though you're feeding crackers to ducks. Now, there are some fantastic spreaders on the market, from Echo to Lesco. Unfortunately, they are quite pricey. So if this is your first time and you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's big enough to cover thousands of square feet, this is probably the best budget-friendly spreader available. This is a Scott's Elite spreader. Do not confuse this with their other models, which I have a lot of problems with, but this one is not terrible for between $100 and $200. Now, if you have a smaller lawn and you don't want to spend a lot of money on one of these, this is always an option. This is a handheld spreader. Now, how does it work and how do you operate these things? They usually have a dial like this or like this. That dial is going to control the amount of granules that it allows out of the machine. Now, which dial setting do you use? Generally speaking, most commercial bags of pre-emergent or fertilizer are going to have the common models of spreader on the back of the bag with their recommended setting. For example, if you got a bag of pre-emergent Barricade, which I recommend and have available in my shop, you'll see on the back Scott's Broadcast, which includes my model, the Elite. Now, if I want to give it a medium rate, which sounds about right, I'm gonna just align these up here, and there's the setting, 4.5. So I'm gonna turn this to 4.5, put the required amount of that bag into that spreader with the setting that it recommends, and I'll go to town making sure to cover my lawn evenly.